The question is, which of the following assay system can specifically detect apoptotic cells? Apoptotic cells expresses phosphatidylserine on their surface. This easily binds with annexin V, and annexin V is recognized by fluorescein isothiocyanate. So PS पर bind करेगा annexin, और annexin V is a PS binding protein and annexin V को recognize करेगा FITC. तो the cells which are undergoing to apoptosis expresses high level of annexin on their surface, or they show binding of annexin on their surface. So this coordinate in the FACS will show the apoptotic cells. So this is annexin V FITC system. साथ साथ PI properdine iodide also used to detect the cell which are undergoing to apoptosis or necrosis or death.